Hey guys, it's Tori, and I'm back with my first ever makeup tutorial voiceover, and I just wanted to jump right in. We're going to start off using the NYX Hydratouch Primer all over my face, the NYX Color Correcting Concealer in green to counteract the redness on my face, next the Maybelline Dream Cushion Foundation in Porcelain 10, now on to concealer, the Wet n Wild Megaglo Makeup Stick Concealer in Follow Your Bisque, number 807, all over my eyelids and under my eyes, along with the Wet n Wild Megaglo Blush in 801 Peach Bums, and Wet n Wild Highlighter in 800 When the Nude Strikes, then using E.L.F. High Definition powder in sheer to powder my entire face, and using the Ulta Contour Kit Warmth Bronze to bring some dimension back to my face. Using the Radiance highlighter in the same palette to add more of a highlight. Now using my NYX Wicked Dreams palette, we're going to use the tan shade on my lid and into my crease. Then I'm going to take the purple shade from the same palette and place that on my outer V, bringing that in. Next, I'm using the Jessie's Girl Pure Pigment Eye Dust in Starshine on the majority of my inner side of my lid, blending all of that out. Also placing the purple shade from the Wicked Dreams palette on my lower lash line and using the L'Oreal Carbon Black Extra Intense eyeliner on my waterline and on my upper lash line. Curling my lashes. This is the only non-drugstore item, which is the Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara on my upper lashes. And then using the NYX The Skinny Mascara on my lower lashes. And the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Tea and Cookies. Thanks for watching, guys.